Hey everyone, welcome back. As much as I love my turret lathe setup, today we're going to take a little walk over to the mini lathe and we are going to make some miniature bowling pins. So this is the 7x16 Micro-Lux lathe. We've got the multi-form system on there and some VersaGroove carbide, and we're going to make these really cool little bowling pins. Let's get started.
First off, we need to draw the profile of the miniature bowling pin. Be sure to maintain tangency on the endpoints of the curves. So there's our 3D part. Now let's give it a little radius here on the base that was called out in the spec of a standard bowling pin. So we'll add it. Now we just need to offset the profile by 15 thousandths for our number 6 VersaGroove profiling cutter. Finally, I like to let my 3D modeling software do some heavy lifting. So this is sort of a scratch drawing I use to calculate the I and K terms for the G2 and G3 commands. This part might look scary, but I wrote the G code by hand using that 2D drawing as a guide. Let's get this party started. First, we're going to advance our wood stock. Get it in front of the cutter there. Spin up to, let's do 2,500 RPM, and cycle start. That was our first low poly cut. And this is our finishing cut. Beautiful. Now let's make one more. Going to advance our material. Turn on our lathe. And cycle start. This is our roughing pass. Sort of a low polygon approximation of the finished bowling pin. All right, well that's going to wrap up this video. Check out these shots of these bowling pins. They're so cool. They're like ready to do something with, whether you sell them on Etsy or make something out of them. They really don't even need sanded. It's pretty unbelievable. I mean, when you tool up for steel and plastics and engineering materials and things like that, and then you get a chance to run wood, it's super satisfying. And this is just done on that mini lathe, something you can do in your basement or garage. So hopefully you check it out. Check out the VersaGroove tooling, the multi-form system, and our website, BerylCNC.com. And if you have any questions, reach out to us using the contact form. Try to get a hold of us on the socials, and we'd love to see what you're trying to create with these tools. Till next time, adios.